clot a go on. Eh? See me bread there. Me bread up there so. See me blood clot bread hang up there so. Some of uno boy we are run to me shit. Uno no hungry. Now sit there now to pussy clot you know hang up no bread in your blood clot house. I wanna get up every day uno no look stinking mama with her pussy. Get up every day and a hungry. That is the fucking way you get food in your blood clot house. Now choose some of uno boy young. And immature. And don't even know if you fuck the girl them proper. Uno run to Jamaica and pee shit one can talk about uno diss me. Me look like crackhead, look up underneath your mama pussy. And which part your bumbo clot daddy there? Which part your daddy there? No for uno run to me blood clot shit to pussy clot and uno mama is a blood clot crackhead bitch. Uno daddy is a crackhead nigga. That's why uno don't know no fucking daddy. Today is Monday. Today's blood clot Monday and no for no little punk get up to pussy clot and no little stinking pussy mama. Get up to mama bumbo hole and no have nothing for blood clot eat. I don't want this. Now see me dead now to bumbo clot the whole pussy clot. The whole fucking holiday while someone a lick pussy and a fuck body. Jamaican P out there and make money. I make money. Now see, now that me check fat no pussy clot. And my pocket are overflow with blood clot money. Now is today is to come beat someone like a stinking pussy hole. Don't take me now watch you know. Don't take me now see you no bumbo hole. I wanna send messages too. Go suck on no mama more than a fucking billion times. On a bumbo hole, you know. First of all, you know, look at that thing you got to pussy clot when I have nothing for blood clot eat. On a dirty stinking mama, on a call every day, beg on a bumbo clot mama for something for it. You know, go suck on no mother. Bumbo hole. Now, first of all, you come send me message. As I know, say some on a girl, some on a girl a lick pussy, some on a girl I make no man a fuck on a bumbo clot body. Now when nobody rear out to pussy clot, you make no man start fucking in on the mouth because in the mouth tight on the body, on the mouth tight on the blood clot pussy. You get to me? I say. Now since you know big pussy and big mouth, dirty blood clot girl, I come watch me. Let me tell you something. You see when me put up on social media, me put it up there because me want to. If me not put it up there, it no go up there. Oh no fucking idiot, you know. You no really think me go put my blood clot business up there? You no idiot, I me put it up there, no. You no think I you too put my blood clot video them up here? I what take you know? Now first of all, smoke and bake to all of the blood clot smoke of them. Now first of all, bumbo clot me blow it in straight in my rose clot juice, you know. Young dasher still. Yeah. Now first a blood clot all. Dirty blood clot fly. Now first a blood clot all. Some of the girls say, you need to take a little mama and tell your daddy if you wash him blood clot bars and tell your mama if you wash her pussy and stop making fly them come pitch pan blood clot me. Now, me go to store to pussy clot and buy my girl a purse for her birthday. And some of uno dick sucking ass nigga we a suck dick from bumbo clot. Long time for una little pitney. Uno suck uno father dick, uno suck uno brother dick, uno suck uno uncle dick. Now see your blood clot uncle no want nothing to do with you and your blood clot brother no want nothing to do with blood clot you. Now you run to Jamaica and people I come talk about say, me no and no girl me buy purse for myself. Well, me buy purse for your stinking worrish blood clot mama. Dirty bitch a fuck for purse and a fuck for blood clot ice cream money. Your bumbo hole, you know. A company come talk about, yeah boy, Jamaican P, you're not a woman. And what on there? What on there? All the bumbo clot you know so much in my woman. Why don't want to see me woman for? So you can name her pussy. She don't go that way. No bumbo clot, you must think me going to show my private blood clot life on social media. So you only can be in my blood clot business. I fuck no for no want me come fuck you no mama. No mama too blood clot worthless. No say no blood clot woman run with worthless pussy. No go suck out the whole family no bumbo clot have. Bumbo clot you no run to me thing and I come yap off no blood clot mouth. First of all, today is what? Today is what? You no fuck. Today is what? Now, first of all, Jamaican people come from a few blood clot things to get pan, you know. Now, let me tell you no one go on. I see one bumbo clot, little video when I little youth them put up on social media. See? And me see one naked blood clot woman turn up out there. And fi whole fucking neighborhood fi see her pussy and see her tits. And if a blood clot thing else. Now let me tell you something. That is fucking tradition. Me no want to no go on like no surprise a bomb clot. That is a tradition. Sometime when some man out there in a Jamaica cheat on them girl, and then girl know say she naina give him bun, and him run out the gang give bun. You know what some woman will do? Take off them blood clot clothes, clean the fuck off. And walk out the whole blood clot neighborhood. Naked as the day she blood clot born to pussy clot. Just for make everybody see the pussy. Just for make all them man them out there to see where him have. Because some man a Jamaica, you know, them always a tell the woman them say, listen now, dirty girl. Me no want you out there and a show me body. Me no want you out there and a show me pussy. Somehow no boy to pussy clot, enough of no girl need to take off them clothes and walk the blood clot neighborhood. Now uno know how much man I go fuck that the woman there now. How if a man I go fuck that the woman there now. Uno must think say a mad man that. I know mad man that man. Enough woman a Jamaica saw them blood clot and you fuck around and go give them bun, guess what them a go do? Some of them smart. Guess what them go do? The earth full of blood clot things they think going to hurt you. Is taking off her clothes and walk on the blood clot table and go on like she a mad woman. She no mad. She no mad a blood clot. Me I tell you no right now. Uno pussy clot. Somehow uno boy to pussy clot every day. Uno mama hang bread in the blood clot house. I wanna wonder why make your mama hang bread in the blood clot house, because your mama is a fucking whore. And your mama pussy no blood clot good. That's why the bitch have to hang blood clot bread so she can get some food in the blood clot house. On a bamba wall, you know. So let me tell you something. That is a fucking tradition for women take off them blood clot clothes. That's why I say enough of them boy are new millennium babies. Uno are new millennium bitches. Uno bamba cleavers, you know. Uno want run to Jamaican pea shit and go on like say uno blood clot that. It's a lot of things me see a go on, you know. Whole heap of blood clot thing me see a go on. Me see that big lip boy the foot of hype where him fucking mouth smell like shit. Hey boy, foot of hype. Boy. No boy, you need to start pay child support. That's why I don't want you to see the fucking pitney. When you are going to pay child support, you bamba hole. Me say I put that pussy hole on child support and lock up him bamba clot. Fucking germs. I make them lock him up the first time, you know. Because I'm need to pay blood clot child support, you bamba hole. Hey boy, foot of shit. Boy, you need to pay child support in your bamba clot. And that big dick blood clot sucking boy when him blood clot Ika Mouse. Hey boy, Ika Mouse. Hey boy, now all we didn't know say Beenie Man was a blood clot dick sucker for a long time. So you know if you come blood clot tell we. Now when you out there snitch and tell everybody who a blood clot suck dick for. We did ask you. Hey boy, Ika Mouse, we didn't fucking ask you nothing. Me no know the bumper clot you come tell. We no ask your motherfucking thing. We know say Beenie Man a batty man. You see we accept him. You see we accept him the blood clot dancer for a long time. From him sing his song say Sim Sima. Who's got the keys to my beamer? Who am I? Now the girl them sugar and how can I make love to a nigga in a rush? Beenie Man for a long time you a batty man to blood clot. You go try clear it up. From the first